To use Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Face ID technology, typically found in newer iPhone models. Next, open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings section, usually represented by a gear icon or a menu option. In the Settings, look for the Security or Authentication section, where you will find the option to enable Face ID login. Tap on this option to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to scan your face using the device's front camera. Position your face within the frame and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scan. Once the Face ID setup is complete, you can test the login feature by closing and reopening the Trust Wallet app. If the setup was successful, you should be able to access your wallet by simply looking at the screen, using Face ID to authenticate your identity. When deciding when to use Trust Wallet Face ID login, consider situations where convenience and speed are important, such as when you need to quickly check your wallet balance or send a transaction. However, for added security, it is recommended to use a combination of authentication methods, including Face ID, password, and two-factor authentication. Best practices for using Trust Wallet Face ID login include keeping your device and the Trust Wallet app up to date, being cautious when using Face ID in public areas where your face may be visible to others, and regularly reviewing your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and guidelines, you can effectively use Trust Wallet Face ID login to enhance the security and convenience of your cryptocurrency transactions. Remember to always prioritize security and use Face ID login in combination with other authentication methods to protect your digital assets.